I want to ask you something honestly. When's the last time your weekend felt like it was yours? Not a recovery day, not a catch-up day, not a I'll relax once I get through the cleaning day. Actually yours, where you woke up and the whole thing was open. Most people I talk to can't remember, and I get it. There's always something that needs to be done around the house. It piles up fast. But here's the thing, your weekend wasn't designed for that. It wasn't built to be a second shift. You work hard during the week. You earn the weekend, and then you hand it over to a mop and a checklist. At ProTouch, we serve homeowners across the Treasure Valley. Boise, Meridian, Eagle, Nampa, who've made a different choice. They stopped treating their home as one more thing to manage on their own. Our crews handle the deep cleaning on a recurring schedule. You walk in on Monday and everything is right. The whole weekend stays yours. If you've been putting this off, now's the time to stop. New recurring clients get their first clean for $99. Link below. Takes about 60 seconds to get started. Your weekend should feel like a weekend.